Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix vibrate on tap problem on Oppo phone device. Friends, you have your phone vibrate on tap problem, so how to fix and solve vibrate on tap problem today friends I am going to show you. Friends, you have the same problem friends when you click on your phone buttons and get your phone vibrate, and get when you touch get your phone any icon, and get when you use keyboard, so get your phone vibrates. So how to fix vibrate on tap problem on Oppo phone device. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. After on phone settings, so friends we will click on guys phone sound and vibration, tap here. After on sound and vibration friends, we will click on guys Oppo phone guys, more sound and haptic setting. More sound and haptic friends, we will on it. After on guys more sound and haptic setting friends, you can see phone sound setting as with dial pad, screen lock, screenshot, delete sound, touch sound. And again last option friends, you can see haptic setting, vibrate on touch. When by mistake you have on this setting, so you will have to only tap here guys, your phone vibrate problem will solve. And friends, you can use guys your phone without any vibrate friends, your phone will not vibrate when you will tap your phone button any icon. So guys, your phone will not vibrate guys. So like that guys, we can solve a vibrate on tap problem. And guys, one more option, then guys you can solve this phone vibrate problem. Click on guys phone search option, vibrate setting guys. When vibrate setting, friends, you can see vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, vibrate on touch. Friends, direct click on phone vibrate on touch setting. Direct friends, you can fix this problem guys. When you will on friends, your phone will vibrate when you will tap. So when you don't want to use guys tap here, your problem will fix. So like that guys, we can solve a vibrate on tap problem on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys.